Welcome everyone to our class. Today in our class we are going to discuss about the climate of West Bengal. Okay, so let's start. Climate of West Bengal, what is that mean and what type of climate we have in West Bengal? West Bengal have a very humid and warm type of climate. Okay, and rainfall mainly occur during the summer seasons while the winter are very dry and mild. This type of climate is known as tropical monsoon climate, and that means West Bengal have tropical monsoon type of climate. What type of characteristics have this West Bengal climate? Like here we can see the change of season is most important features, and here we see the four important seasons here, like summer, rainy seasons, autumn and winter, and these four seasons rotate always in West Bengal. And in summer, here in the West Bengal, moist southwest monsoon wind gives rain in West Bengal. And in winter, here the dry cold northeast wind, monsoon wind that keep this region dry. Okay, dry and cool. That means there is no rainfall happen during the winter season. And in summer, wind that blow from the southwest directions, and winter wind that blow in the opposite directions. Okay, and you know that in the mountainous regions, in North Bengal, summer are pleasant during this summer season. There is a very low temperature, not very low, it's like a mild temperature we feel because of the altitude. Okay, and winter are very cold in the higher altitude, like means in the mountainous regions. Okay, and rest of the West Bengal experience mild weather. Okay, next one we will discuss about the seasons of West Bengal. Okay, based on their temperature and arrival and departure of the monsoon wind and the amount of rainfall, the meteorological department of Government of India decided or divided the climate of West Bengal into the four seasons. What are they? Like summer, winter, rainy seasons and autumn seasons. Okay, summer season started from the month of the March, and the sun crossed the equator and moves apparently towards the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, and this time the temperature increase in West Bengal in April and the month of May, and temperatures rise up to 40 to 42 degree centigrade. And here the plateau regions in West Bengal, the temperature is 45 degree centigrade. When the hot wind blow during that time, that is known as Lu over the plateau region. But temperature in the Darjeeling mountainous regions, that the temperature not so low, like 16 degree centigrade we feel there, average temperature we feel there because of the altitudes. Okay, and in the evening, thunder cloud we feel that northeast give the rain during the summer seasons. That storm, thunderstorm is known as nor'wester, or also in Bengali language it is also called Kal Boishakhi. Okay, so these are the main characteristics of the summer season. Next we will discuss about the rainy season. Rainy seasons, you know that this season started from the second week of the month of June, and moist southwest monsoon wind entered the West Bengal and gives the rain, and this season's maximum rainfall occur in the northern mountainous regions, and moderate rainfall takes place on the plain, and very low rainfall will occur in the plateau regions. But you know that most average annual rainfall happened during the rainy seasons, mainly 175 centimeter, or you can say 80% of the rainfall happened in West Bengal during the rainy seasons. Okay, Next one is autumn seasons. Autumn season started at the end of the September, and the sun crossed the equator and moves toward the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, and this time southwest monsoon wind move back and rainfall start to decreases. Okay, these seasons and this wind is known as the returning monsoon. Okay, after that this wind slowly northeast monsoon winds start to arrive in West Bengal and give some indicate of the winter seasons. Okay, and this time also cyclonic rainfall happened during this autumn season, that is known as Asinin Jhor. Okay, so this is all about the characteristics of the rainy and autumn seasons. Next we will discuss about the winter season. You know, in December the sun is in the zenith of the Tropic of Capricorn, and West Bengal received the oblique sun ray, so the temperature start to decreases. Okay, cold and dry northeast monsoon wind also start to blow over the West Bengal. You know, in the month of January temperature become very low, and in the mountainous region sometimes there is a snowfall happen because of the cold, because of the temperature is very low, and in the plateau regions 10 degrees centigrade and the plain regions have the 16 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, here this time there is a dry, as this wind does not capture any water vapor this time, so the weather is very dry, and this time also there is a sometime there is a rainfall happened during the winter seasons. That type of rainfall or the storm is also known as western disturbance. Okay, now we will discuss about the impact of monsoon on climate of the West Bengal. What is the impact of this monsoon on the climate of West Bengal? You know that the word monsoon is coming from the Arabic word monsoon, which is means season. Okay, and so the wind that blow according to the season is called the monsoon wind. Okay, monsoon wind that you know that play a very vital role or the great role for the climate of the West Bengal. In the climate of East Bengal, you know, in the summer seasons when the moist southwest monsoon crossing the Bay of Bengal in West Bengal, there is a heavy rainfall happened. Mostly 70 to 80% rainfall happened during the summer season because of the southwest monsoon. Okay, and it's in winter seasons there is a cold and dry northeast wind blow, and the land of the West Bengal keep dry and cool during the seasons of winter, and cold dry northeast monsoon wind with also blow from the Siberia and Tibet and blow over the West Bengal. So the winter when the temperature become very low, the cold wind blow from the Siberia and the Tibet. The wind does not give any rain as it is very dry and they don't have any water vapor in them, so there is no rainfall during the winter seasons. Okay, based on the arrival and departure of the southwest and northeast monsoon wind, the climate of the West Bengal divided into the 4 seasons. Okay, pre-monsoon, that is known as summer seasons, monsoon, that means rainy seasons, retreating monsoon, that means autumn, and post-monsoon, that means winter seasons. Okay, so this is the impact of the monsoons on the climate of West Bengal. Next one, of the impact of change of seasons in human life. Okay, depends on the change in seasons of the climates. There is a huge impact we see in the life of the humans. Like what? Like number one, food habit. Depends on the climate or depends on the seasons. there is a different food habit we follow according to the season. Like as example, ladyfinger, mango, berry, jackfruit, lychee, these are grow during the summer season, while the cabbage, cauliflower, carrot, beet, spinach, orange, that grow during the winter seasons. Okay, so therefore our food habit change according to the seasons. Okay, according to the seasonal crops and fruits. Okay, and dresses, in the summer we wear light clothes, but winter seasons we wear the woolen clothes. Okay, next one, human skills. We can do so many work during the winter seasons. That time we are very energetic, but in the summer seasons we are getting tired easily. Okay, next one, specializations is livelihood. Like in the rainy seasons, agriculture are practiced in autumn, and in winter, activities based on the festivals and also the tourism. And in winter, harvestings of the kharif crop, and winter harvesting the kharif crop and stowing the rabi crop fair, and this time fair, circus and the other entertainment related job and activities also very important during the winter seasons. So you see that all these food habit, dresses, human skill, and also the specializations in livelihood, all that depends on the seasons. Okay, and this is how the seasons impact in our life, that means in human life. So this is all about the seasons. This is all about the climate of West Bengal. In our next class we will discuss about the soil and vegetations of West Bengal. Thank you everyone.